हेलो दोस्तों, मैं गुलशन कुमार आज आपके सामने नेशनल इनकम पर कुछ एमसीक्यू लेकर आया हूं। जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं कि हमने पिछले वीडियो में इनकम टैक्स पर कुछ एमसीक्यू पढ़ा था, तो उसको आप आई बटन में देख सकते हैं। तो आइए चलिए आज हम इकोनॉमिक्स के नेशनल इनकम के एमसीक्यूज को कंटिन्यू करते हैं और इस एमसीक्यू को देखने के लिए वीडियो में लास्ट तक बने रहें। Question first. The difference between value of output and value added is A. Depreciation, B. Intermediate consumption, C. Net indirect taxes, D. Net factor income from abroad. B is the correct answer. Intermediate consumption. जैसा कि हम लोग जानते हैं कि intermediate cost minus value of cost is equals to value added. Second, product method of calculating national income is also known as income method, value added method, expenditure method, distribution method. National income product method of calculating national income is value added method. So the answer is B. Third, transfer payments refer payments which are made A. without any exchange of goods and services, B. to workers on transfer from one job to another, C. as compensation to employees, D. none. A is the correct answer. Without any exchange of goods and services. Transfer payments refers payments without any exchange of goods and services. Fourth, national income differs from net national product at market price by the amount of A. current transfers from rest of the world, B. net indirect taxes, C. national debt interest, D. it does not differ. National income differs from NNP at MP by the amount of net indirect taxes. जैसे हम लोग जानते हैं net national product at factor cost is equals to net national product at market price minus net indirect taxes. Net indirect taxes को हम लोग बोल सकते हैं net indirect tax minus subsidies. So the answer is net indirect taxes. Fifth, national income does not include A. interest on unproductive national debt, B. income from government expenditure, C. the payments by the households to firm for the purchase of goods and services, D. undistributed profit. A is the correct answer. National income does not include interest on unproductive national debt. Sixth, net national product at factor cost is also known as A. net domestic product, B. gross national product, C. national income, D. personal income. NNP at FC is the national income. C is the correct answer. 7. In GNP calculation, which of the following should be excluded? A. rental incomes, B. interest payments, C. dividends, D. government transfer payments. D is the correct answer. Government transfer payments. GNP calculation, we exclude government transfer payments. 8. The most important problem of estimated national income is A. unorganized market, B. double counting, C. population rise, D. income inequalities. While estimating the national income, we face the problem of double counting error. So the answer is B. 9. Goods and services for final consumption are B. consumer goods, produced goods, given goods, consumer goods, none of these. B is the correct answer. Consumer goods. Goods and services for final consumption is the consumer goods. 10th, GNP इज इक्वल्स टू GDP प्लस, देखिए नेशनल से डोमेस्टिक में जब हमको जाना होता है तो हम लोग क्या ऐड करते हैं, सॉरी डोमेस्टिक से नेशनल में जाना है ना, तो नेट फैक्टर इनकम फ्रॉम अब्रॉड ऐड करेंगे तो हमारा GNP मिलता है, ठीक है। तो द आंसर इज सी, नेट फैक्टर इनकम फ्रॉम अब्रॉड। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रिप्रेजेंट्स नेशनल इनकम? ए GDP एट फैक्टर कॉस्ट, बी NDP एट फैक्टर कॉस्ट, सी NNP एट मार्केट प्राइस, डी NNP एट फैक्टर कॉस्ट। National income represents NNP at FC. It means net national product at factor cost. 12. GDP at factor cost is equal to GDP at market price minus indirect taxes. GDP FC is equals to GDP MP minus indirect taxes. B is the correct answer. Thirteen. Transfer payments are A. Payments transferred from government, central government account to state government account. B. Payments made to factors of production by the organizer. C. Payments made for no return services. D. None of the above. C is the correct answer. Payments made for no return services. 14. Personal disposable income means A. Personal income minus personal direct taxes. B. Personal income minus net indirect taxes. C. Personal income plus personal direct taxes. D. Personal income plus net indirect taxes. A is the correct answer. Personal income minus personal direct taxes. 15. National income estimation in India is done by RBI, Planning Commission, Central Statistical Organization or Ministry of Finance. National income estimation is in India is done by the Central Statistical Organization. C is the correct answer. 16. Net national product at factor cost minus dash is equals to net national product at factor cost. A. Net factor income from abroad. B. Net indirect taxes. C. Depreciation. Or D. None. National NNP at FC. It means we have to go from national to domestic. So we have to subtract net factor income from abroad. So the answer is A. NFIA. 17. GDP at factor cost minus depreciation is equal to A. NNP at factor cost. B. NDP at factor cost. C. GDP at factor cost. D. NNP at market price. GNP at FC. Okay, GNP at FC minus depreciation. It means we are talking about the gross. The answer is NNP at FC. A is the correct answer. 18. The difference between the GDP MP and GNP MP is A. Net income. B. Subsidies. C. Net factor income from abroad. D. Depreciation. The difference between GDP MP and GNP MP is domestic and national. The difference is domestic to national is net factor income from abroad. The answer is C. 19. Value added method is used to measure national income. A is the correct answer. 20. National income differs from net national product at market price by the amount of A. Net indirect taxes. B. National debt interest. C. Subsidies. D. Current transfer from rest of the world. National income differs from net national product at MP by the amount of NNP-MP. C. Sorry. A is the correct answer. NNP-MP minus net indirect taxes is equals to NNP-FC. So the answer is A. Which of the following is correct? A. Increase in the percentage of per capita income is less than the increase in percentage of national income. B. Increase in the percentage of national income is less than the increase in percentage of per capita income. Or C. Per capita income rises when population decreases. Or D. Per capita income rises when population increases. This is not. A is the correct answer. Increase in the percentage of per capita income is less than the increase in percentage of national income.